Hi, my name is Igor, and I'm the founder of Trudo AI. Trudo AI is a no-code platform that helps companies use AI to build ETL pipelines. For the last 25 years, there's been a significant gap between tools built for technical and non-technical users. On one hand, you have ultimate flexibility, but you have to code in order to get anything done. And on the other hand, you have tools that are easy to use, but offer very limited functionality. And it was impossible to bridge this gap without large language models. At Trudo, we're building a dashboard or a platform that will allow companies to use a combination of English and user interface to build complex workflows. And I'll dive deep into more use cases in a little bit. We initially started with launching a platform that helped companies convert their data into machine learning models. And we had over 200 companies pay us to use our software, and we've generated over $18,000 from our first product. To make $100 million, we'll initially focus on small to medium businesses, and then we'll focus on large enterprises and then new products. We plan to charge $10,000 per company per year, and 10,000 companies will allow us to achieve that $100 million mark. With the previous product, we've experienced that improving UI UX led us to triple our revenue within just 1 week. And so I truly believe that building a great product is by far the best way to build a great company. And so that's kind of our core of how we're planning to capture the market. This is a $125 billion market, and I'm talking about the combination of traditional software tools as well as no-code industry. There's a number of big competitors in this space. Alteryx is being one of them. This is a $2 billion company. And again, but these companies fall into one of the either buckets. It's either too difficult to use or too easy to use, and they're limited in functionality. I can't go into too many details about the product because we're still in the development phase, but our goal is to build a general purpose product that will allow non-technical people within companies accomplish a lot more tasks that they weren't able to do before. And again, a lot of it is possible now because of LLM models, became a reality. And so some of those use cases is generating analytics from the data sets that you have, or moving data from database to database, or if you wanted to train a predictive model to analyze your customers. All of those tasks required companies to hire either engineers or data scientists, and we're making it possible for non-technical people to accomplish all those tasks within companies. I've previously worked at Google. I've launched apps that totaled over 100,000 users, and this is our team. Thank you. My name is Igor, and I'm the founder of Trudo. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, Igor. Paul, you're up next, please. Question for Igor.
Yeah, maybe can you discuss pricing a little bit?
All right, great. Shahroz?
Great. Yeah, at this early stage, it looks like you got some traction. What's going to be the key factor that's going to lead these customers to convert from a pilot to a long-term paying relationship? And my second question is really about how are you going to hack the sales process? Every company is getting hit up with great solutions that sound like the one you are pitching, and how will they differentiate in the process of choosing?
Great. That was actually 3 questions. So why don't you go ahead and answer those, Igor?
Okay, perfect. So the first question, as I mentioned, for the first product, we charge about $100 per customer. And so we got over 200 customers to actually pay us to use our software. And so for our next product, we plan to charge about $10,000 a year. And so that's kind of our target mark. As far as a pilot versus paying, these are actual companies that paid us already and have already used our product. And we've also had over 100 calls over the last year talking to a wide variety of different companies. And so we've learned a lot from these different companies. And we've also spent quite a bit of time looking at a lot of companies that are out there. We've looked at over 5,000 companies and understand what the gaps are. In terms of how we will get customers, one of the strategies is educating companies onto how to accomplish tasks. And so we got a lot of customers by talking about specific technical things on YouTube. And, like 80% of our, let's say 75% of our customers came to us because we taught them something new. And so that's sort of the strategy, building an amazing product and then teaching companies how to accomplish tasks that are not that easy to accomplish. And so that's kind of our strategy. Thank you so much for your questions.